what's going on? I'm Allison, and for today's workout, we're doing a quick core routine. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos. All you need for this workout is a mat and one moderate dumbbell. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin in a seated position. If you have your weight, place it to the side. We're not going to start with it quite yet. Now, let's do a quick warm-up for the core and that lower back. Having your feet flat or your heels on the ground, we're sitting with our feet on the short end of the mat. Hands behind the legs, sit up tall. We're going to inhale, dip the chin, round the spine, get any of the kinks out if you need to, and then exhale, sit it up tall. So start with a shorter range of motion, and then gradually make it a little bit bigger as you get more warmed. Inhale, dip the chin, round the back. Exhale, sit it up. Good. Now, as we go on, if this is bothering your back at any time, you can place a rolled up towel or flat pillow on your lower back area, and that should hopefully help with that. Inhale, exhale. All right, starting to get it a little bit bigger. And if you like to, you can extend those arms, do the full roll back, and then lift. If you're not quite ready for this yet, stay with the half. 10 more seconds, how you like. Inhale, exhale up, last 4, 3, 2, finish the last one you're on. Good. All right, so when you're ready, let's stay in that seated position and now grab your weight. From here, we're gonna bring the weight up to chest height. We're gonna start with a basic Russian twist, and then I'm gonna go ahead and progress this and give you a little bit more challenge as we go on. So sitting tall, hold your weight horizontally. Inhale, rotate, center, other side, and then come up. Join me here. Inhale, and you wanna watch your weight the whole time. Ensure that you're getting that range of motion. If at any time you need to get rid of the weight or it's too much, feel free to drop it down. All right, so as you progress, you can have one leg up, other down, stagger it, and then halfway through, switch sides. Or if you like to, take both legs up, rotate, center, rotate, center. Good, 10 more seconds. Whew. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Let's lie all the way down on your mat. Okay, so from here, let's take the weight in one hand. The same side knee is bent, other leg extended, other arm can be up, or you can also have it behind the head. All right, so from here, arms up. We're going to come up, bring the weight towards the shin, and then get a nice stretch, lower it down. Ready? We have 10. Let's do it. 10. Whew. 9. Inhale, exhale. 8. 7, embrace the core. 6, 5, here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a moment, take a breath, put the weight in the other hand, extend that leg out, this arm down, and big 10 here. Here we go, exhale, 10, 9, you got it, 8, breathe, 7, 6, 5, keep going, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Relax, hang on to that weight. Okay, double leg stretch with a little weight resistance. So watch me while you recover. I'm gonna tuck the knees in, bring the weight in, inhale, reach back, legs extend, big exhale, pull it in. Making sure there's no space between that lower back and the mat. If there is, embrace the core a little more or bring those legs up higher. And if you'd like to, you can keep your head down and keep the same movement. Okay, when you're ready, lift up. Here we go. Inhale, reach. Exhale, drive for 10. 9, yes. 8, here it is with the head down. 7, 6, keep it going strong. Whew. 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1 more. Whew. Relax the head. Take a breath in and out. Next move, bicycle passes. Holding that weight horizontally. I'm gonna lift the head up, bicycle legs, rotate, rotate, over. We're going 30 seconds, so take this at your own pace, take your time. All right, we're gonna start in about 5. When you're ready, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Pass, pass. This is smooth and controlled. Like always, no space in that lower back. If your neck gets tired, head down, same movement. Whew. Keep it smooth. Think about making big figure 8s with the arms. Legs stay the same, in and out with the knee. Keep going, let me check the time. Oh, we only have about 12 seconds left. Stay there. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down. Once you put that weight down for a second. Whew. Rock in. And then 1, 2, 3, gently rock it up. Flip it over prone position. We're almost done. The next one we're gonna do is a plank pass. So for passes, I'm gonna take that weight, place it down on one side. Now from here, it's on the outside of my mat. I'm gonna go in a high plank position. I'm gonna reach underneath with one arm, set it to the side, place it down, reach underneath, other side. Ready? Here we go. Pass, set it down. Now if you need to, drop down to the knees, keeping that same upper body form. Breathe. Good job, keep going with it. Whew. Pass, center, pass, center. Awesome. Let's go 10 more seconds. Make it hard on yourself. Push that weight out a little farther. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knees down, sink back child's pose. Take a breath in and out. Okay, so for this next move, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it this way so you can see a little bit better. We're doing a version of a bird dog and adding a little bit of shoulders. So for this move, we're going to take the weight, do a side raise, and while we're doing that, my back leg is doing a fire hydrant to the side. So when you're ready, we're going to do 8 on each side. Core stabilization, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, set the knee down, set the weight down, shake it out for a moment. Other side. Embrace the core, abs are tight. Here we go. 8, 7, watch the balance. 5, 4, got it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Set that weight down. Sink back for a child's pose. Take a breath or 2 in and out. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale out. And bring it up. Good. Last couple little stretches. You did great. I told you be short. One hand on the leg, one arm up and over. If you're feeling good, rewind this video and get a second round in. Take a breath in, exhale, swoop the arms up overhead. And bring it down. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.